In previous video, we have already discussed about Indian place value chart. Now in exercise 1.2, let us discuss one question. In question number 1, it is given, write the following numbers in a place value chart. So here I have done 3 questions for you. First you make one Indian place value chart, that is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Then you have to put all the numbers, all the digit in proper place. See in question number 1a, it is given 13 crore 83 lakh 46,751. 13 crore 83 lakh 46,751. The second one is 7 crore 35 lakh 1,000 means 01 101. Then I have done question number 1e. In this case, here crore is not given, 68 lakh. So 6 is in 10 lakh place, 8 is in lakh place, 46,000 and 102. Like this you have to do remaining 3 questions. Then in question number 2, some numbers are given, you have to write that numbers in word. Here I have done one question, 60 is in crore place, so first write down 60 crore. Then 1 is in lakh place, so 60 crore, 1 lakh, then 8,000. Question number 3, this question also same as question number 1. Write each of the following in figure. One question I have done, 3 crore 6 lakh 7,964. How to write? 3 crore, first write 3 in crore place. Then 6 lakh. How to write 6 lakh? 06, because lakh you have to write in 2-digit number. Here only 6 is given. How to write 6 is in 2-digit number? 06. So 3 crore 6 lakh 7,000. 7 is 07. You have to write in 2-digit form. That is 07, then 964. Then face value of a digit. What is face value? Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. The digit itself is the face value. What is place value? Place value of a digit is the face value into value of the place it occupies in the place value chart. That is called place value. This part also I have discussed in previous video. Let us discuss exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, question number 1, it is given, find the place value of 4 in this number. What is the number? Find the place value of 4 in 54,32,169. What is the place value of 4? 4 is present in which place? 1 lakh place. So 4 into 1 lakh is 4 lakh. Place value of 4 is 4 lakh. Question number 2 is same as question number 1. Here also you have to find the place value. So this is same. Now see to question number 3. This question is given, find the difference between the place value of 2 threes in 28 crore 36 lakh 16,360. In this number there is 2 threes. You have to find the difference between the place value of these 2 threes. So let us first find out place value of the first 3. Place value of this 3 is 30 lakh. Then place value of the second 3 is 300. Now find the difference between place value of these 2 threes. The difference between place value of 2 threes in 28 crore 36 lakh 16,316 is 29 lakh 99,700. Find the difference of these 2 place value. This is your answer. Then come to question number 4. Here you have to write the number in expanded form. This part also I have discussed in previous video. Again you see this number 4 is in lakh place. So first this is 4 lakh plus 5 is in 10,000 place. So 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 6 plus 3. In this way you have to write in expanded form. Question number 5. Here it is given in expanded form. You have to write in compact form. 3 crore 40 lakh 30,468. Then question number 6. This one you have to compare two numbers using greater, lesser, equal sign. I have done 2 questions for you. This part also I have discussed in previous video. Now here this is 4,57,412. Here 15,41,132. When you compare two numbers, first you count how many digits are there. Here is 6-digit number, here is 7-digit number. So obviously 7-digit number is greater than 6-digit number. So this number is greater than this number. Then come to question number 6D. In this case, two numbers are same in digit. Both are 6-digit number. In this case, you compare first the lakh place. Here is 4, here is 4. Both are same. Then in thousand place, 61, 61. Here also both are same. Then in 100 place, compare 616, 616. So both the numbers are same. I have written equal sign here. Then in question number 7, find the greatest number from each group. In question number 7, there are 4 numbers given. You have to find out which one is the greatest. Here also you first count the number formed by how many digits. This number is formed by 7 digit. This is 7-digit number. This one also 7-digit number. This one, how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-digit number. And this one 6-digit number. So this 8-digit number is the greatest number. Similarly, in question number 8, you have to find the smallest one. Here also you count the number of digit. This is 6-digit number. This one 7-digit number. This one 5-digit number. And this one 7-digit number. So 5-digit number is the smallest one. Then come to question number 9. In question number 9, you have to arrange all the numbers in ascending order. Here 4 numbers are given. You have to write in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest. So first you find out which one is the smallest number. Here 6-digit number. Here also 6-digit number. 5-digit number. 5-digit number. So these two are 6-digit number. These two are 5-digit number. Now these two 5-digit number, first you compare. Here 1000 place is 36 written. Here 1000 place, in 1000 place 68 is written. So which one is the smaller? This one. First you write 36,168. Then second, this one 68,186. After that, compare these two numbers. Here 1 is in lakh place, 2 is in lakh place. So this one is the smaller one out of these two. Then you write here 1,35,168. Then 2,36,146. This is ascending order, smallest to largest you have to write. Then question number 10, arrange the following in descending order. This one also same. You have to write in decreasing order. First the greatest to smallest. Then question number 11, successor. Find the successor of the given number. Question number 12 is find the predecessor of the given number. And question number 13 is write the greatest and smallest number. These 3 questions what is given, that also I have discussed in previous video. So you can, I think you can do yourself. Then come to the next exercise, that is international place value chart. In international place value chart, each period there are 4 periods. 1 period, 1000 period, million, billion, trillion. But in your syllabus that is given up to million. 1 period is divided into 3 parts. 1, 10, 100. 1000 period is divided into 3 parts. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions also divided into 3 parts. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Similarly, billion also divided into 3 parts. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Then trillion also divided into 3 parts. Trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. So each period is divided into 3 parts. Now, when we compare the Indian place value system with international place value system, I have written here Indian place value system 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. See, 1 place Indian and international both are same. 10th place also both are same. 100 place also same. 1000 place same. 10,000 same. So these 5 digits from 10,000 to 1, these 5 digits are Indian and international, both place value systems are same. So start from lakh, Indian and international place value systems are changed. 1 lakh is same as 100,000. 10 lakh is same as 1 million. Crore is same as 10 million. 10 crore is same as 100 million. See exercise 1.4. In this question it is given, write the number in words using international place value chart. I have done one question for you. Here it is given 6 million. 6 is in million place, so I have written 6 million. 321, this is in 1000 period, so this is 321,000. Then 176. Second question, it is given in word, you have to write in figure. Second question is 6,074,000. How to write 6 million? 6 is in million place. Then in 1000 place there is no number given. That's why I have written 3 zeros. 1000 period is divided into 3 parts. That's why I have written 3 zeros. Then 74. How to write 74? 074, because this part also ones period you must write in 3-digit number. So 074. Then question number 3. It is given, write the following number using international place value system. This part is same as question number 2. Then question number 4 is, rewrite the following number using the Indian place value system. Here it is given in international place value system. You have to write this number in Indian place value system. See, 13,06,061. How to write? 13 million. 13 is in million place. 6,000. So it must be 3-digit number. 006. You have to write 006. 6,000. Then 61. Here also you make 3-digit number, that is 061. This number is written in international place value system. You have to write the same number in Indian place value system. So how to write? Last 3 digits are same, 061. Here you put 1 comma after 2 digit. So this is 1000 place, 6,000. Then this is lakh place, 30 lakh, 1 crore. 1 crore, 30 lakh, 6,061. Then come to question number 5. Here fill in the blanks is given. 1 million is dash lakh. See, million is same as 10 lakh. In international place value system, this is million. In Indian place value system, that is 10 lakh. So 1 million is 10 lakh. The second question is 100 lakh is dash million. 100 lakh. Where is 100 lakh? This place is 100 lakh. Lakh, 10 lakh, 100 lakh. 100 lakh means this is 10 million. Then 7 crore. Crore is also 10 million. Here is 7 crore, that's why this is 70 million. 1 crore is dash million. 1 crore is 10 million. 7 crore is 70 million. Thank you, children.